Hello guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed. And today, we're going to talk about how to level a sloping yard. This video will explore everything you need and provide methods that will help you achieve a level surface for your sloping yard. So make sure you stick around for that. By building a retaining wall. Number 1. Gather leveling equipment. The first step is to ensure that you have everything you need to do the work. Some of the equipment you'll need includes protective gear, such as gumboots, aprons, gloves, and a helmet. You'll also need building stones or bricks, cement, water, 2 long sticks, spirit level, string or wire, a small digger, a shovel, watering equipment, and a compactor. 2. Contact local authorities. Before you begin the leveling process, contact the local authorities to obtain a permit if necessary, and get information on whether there are any utility cables or pipes in your yard. If there are any cables or pipes, you need to know their exact location and to have a cable avoidance tool. 3. Determine the run and height of the slope. Determine the gradient of the slope by electing one stick at the highest point of the slope and the other at the lowest point. Tie the string or wire at the base of the stick at the highest point. Run the string horizontally and tie it to the other stick. Use a spirit level to ensure that the string is perfectly horizontal. 4. Elect a retaining wall. Dig a foundation and, using stones or brick, elect a wall at the lowest point of your yard. That's the point where you elected a stick. The height of the wall should be the same as the height of the stick, from the ground to the point you tied the string. Wait for several days for the wall to dry and be firm. 5. Dig and fill. Using your watering equipment, water the soil in your yard some hours before you start digging. Watering makes the digging process easier. Using the digger, start digging soil from the highest point of the slope and dumping it to the lowest point. That is, beside the retaining wall. Continue this process until you achieve a level ground. 6. Compact the soil. Using the compactor, compact the soil to ensure that it is firm, such as will ensure an even surface. Pour a soft layer of soil on top and use it to plant grass or other plants to prevent soil erosion. So, there you have it. Leveling your yard is effortless and satisfying. You not only improve your yard's aesthetic value, but also its usability. I hope this helps. Feel free to leave a comment, like, and share this video. Till next time.